Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall card. Take a look, it will seem something like this. To make this you will need some piece of papers. Here I have already cut out a couple of pieces of papers. I have 4 papers. You can take the measurement according to the size of your photographs. I have taken the measurement according to the size of a passport size photograph, so I can fix photographs here. So then you need this strip of paper. It is about 10 to or 12 centimeter in long. Then the process here begins. You have to add the first card, something like this way. Bend it here in this way and join this. You can add here glue or double-sided cotton tape. I here use double-sided cotton tape. Here attach it like in this way. Take a look like this. Keep in mind that this portion doesn't cross the whole breadth of this card, otherwise it will be seen here. But if you keep it short, then from the front side this one cannot be seen. Then whatever you have to do is mark here with a pencil for 3 more times to add 3 other cards 1 centimeter apart from each, and then bend it like this way. I have already bent it out. Then add some glue and then add further piece of card like this. Then the third one. You see? If it goes wrong, just pull it gently and fix it the proper way. Then the fourth one. And add this. So I have added all 4 number of cards. Then this is my extra portion. I can cut out this extra portion like this. It will be act as my puller. Okay. Then this excess portion we will use in my further purpose. Here is the first one. Okay. Then you have to attach this here. Keep it in mind that it does not cross the length. So here. Then take a piece of paper where you will finally attach it. I am going to attach it here. Whatever you have to do is keep this portion free, so can it move like this. So you have to add tape here and here, this portion, this to place. So here. see, all I've done is I have just attached that black portion, and this is freely movable. So for further decoration, you can use like this bow and then attach this, or you can make a hole using a punching machine, and then you will bind it here like this one, then pull it and then pull back. So it will give you, or you can use like cut it like this, then use it the bow with a ribbon. Ready? And you can add it here, this extra portion. Like this. So here it is the final look, guys. Very easy to make a waterfall card. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will show you further the techniques how to make some box cards and squash book. And thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.